Hello and welcome to another episode of the show that I am officially now calling, at ChatGPT's suggestion, How's It Done? I really want to explain that because I'm a dad and I like to explain jokes, but I'm just gonna give you all the benefit of the doubt that you get the pun. It's really hard for me to accept that, but it's a good exercise in not treating my audience like I treat my children and subjecting them to my nightmare humor. Um, it's been a couple days since I've been on YouTube. I've been making content for a different channel, my ice cream shop channel, Cafe Luga House, and I actually made something really funny. I thought it was really funny on Saturday, so I'm going to run that now because I thought it was pretty cute. So check this out. Coming out to Cafe Luga House tonight. I'm a comedian, so I'm going to talk to you about, some things in my life that I find annoying. And my hope is that you'll find this relatable to some things in your life that, maybe you find annoying too. And then through that process, we can establish a comfort, a rapport, a familiarity. And then, maybe our relationship will deepen. And maybe we could be friends. Maybe maybe you could have me over to your house for dinner and we can play Warcraft. And maybe, I love you. I love you. So there it is. Sidebar, I mixed that using Adobe Podcast, which is a great AI audio mixing utility. It's completely web-based, and I think it does a slightly better job than Podcastle. Actually, pretty significantly better job than Podcastle, especially over longer files. But also even better, surprisingly, than Isotope, which has a great AI mixing tool and is a extremely expensive tool. If you have a subscription to Adobe All Apps, you have premium access to Adobe Podcast. So pro tip there. And speaking of AI, right, my favorite topic, I wanted to talk to you all about a project I did also on Saturday at the shop where I had ChatGPT generate a JavaScript, executable that batch exports topic bars out of After Effects. I have a contract where I edit hour-long podcasts for a group. And part of my obligation is I have to make topic bars. And so what I did is let's hop over to Premiere. Using Premiere, I generated a list of topics, right? You can see them in green at the top of the timeline here. This is not the podcast. This is actually my podcast or my show from the other day. And I used a tool called Firecut, and it has a utility called Add Chapters. So these are the chapters. You can copy this all into the clipboard. What I initially did is I brought these over to ChatGPT. I said, hey, can you make these into the top here? Can you make these into nice topic bar content, right? So I took those topics and time codes. This is what it came back with. I said, can you capitalize everything? And then I said, actually, can you write a script to batch load these? And he did. As you all know, I gender ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a him to me. I actually have a friend who genders GPT into female gender. So, I think it's whatever you relate to as a working part. So anyway, not to get too far off topic, what I did is I pasted these in, and I said, last one, I said, can you please turn these chapter headings into punchy topic bar content? Use the format necessary for the batch exporting script, right? So we did that. By the way, this document on the side here is called Canvas. It's an awesome tool that runs inside of ChatGPT and lets you kind of work collaboratively with GPT, sort of as if you were on something like GitHub, but a little more interactive. And so, Yeah, so I'm just going to take these. All right, there we go. So I'll select this. Oh, I'm not good with. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to hop over to BB Edit, which is where I edit the text for this script. I'm going to paste in these topic bars, or these topics rather, and I'm going to save. You can see over here that this script is called topic text 2. And so now I'm going to jump over to After Effects, where I have this, what do you call it? It's a motion array template, right? That's not quite right, but whatever. And so this is the text pre-comp for this comp, which, whoops, that's not the one. That's number 4. I want number 5. This, does a little animated title on and off. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to scripts and I'm going to launch topic text 2. And so it's going to run. As you can see, it's going to take the text from the script and add it into these topic bars that is going to kick out. I'm overwriting some of this. Actually, funny story, just a couple minutes ago, I did about half the show without pressing record. Take that for what it's worth. And anyway, you see what's going on here. It's just generating these, spitting them out. So I'm actually just going to jump back on camera here. And yeah, so that's what I did. That's my project for today. And if you want this script, just send me an email at info@haus.video. That's info@haus.video. And I will share the text of the script with you with a couple instructions. You have to define a few things. You have to define the pre-comp that has the text file. You have to define the parent comp, and then you have to define your output path. And then you have to define the topics that you're trying to generate topic bars for. So if that's something that might be interesting to you, shoot me a note. If you want to talk about anything else, AI, I'm offering free 30-minute consultations. My specialty, obviously, is media technology, but I'm a pretty fair hand with just kind of managing projects through ChatGPT and other online AI tools. So let's connect. I'm really excited to, start working with people out here. Haven't gotten a ton of engagement yet, but I'm picking up some steam and looking forward to talking to you all. Thanks for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with another video.